Hey guys, Danny Alvarez here with cellphonias.com, bringing you the latest news and views that you can use. Now coming at you live with some information regarding Apple. Have you folded for the rumor mill? Well, they're at it again. According to Mac Rumors, a leaker by the name of Dilankt, Apple is dabbling with a variety of foldable iPhone variants. Here at Cellphonius, we believe that Apple is not ruling out any options to appeal to the audience that is typically captivated and monetized by Samsung, among others, many of whom have folded their arms, that is, and adopted the flexible, ultra-thin glass technology and produced their very own foldable phone variants. I personally believe that the foldable format is quite well liked by many, especially the clamshell closing style, similar to the once legendary Motorola Razr. Some people feel that foldable phones with ultra-thin flexible glass screens were first brought in by Motorola, creating the first, not-so-great selling iteration of the famous Razr device in 2019. But they would be wrong. The very first commercially available foldable phone was launched by Chinese mobile phone startup Royole, that is spelled Royole, as they launched their Royole FlexPi, which featured a 7.8-inch OLED screen that folded outwards, leaving the display exposed when folded. Huh? Well, we all know that that didn't turn out to be the king of foldables. For now, it seems like the crown is in Samsung's possession, although they are facing some extremely stiff competition from Asian companies like Xiaomi and Oppo, as well as American companies like Dell. However, Apple's interest in foldable phones is not altogether out of the ordinary. In fact, it should be expected. Why? Well, according to GizmoChina.com, foldable smartphone sales will continue to rise. With 7.5 million shipments in 2021, they're expected to rise to 15.9 million units in 2022. And check this out, they're expected to rise to a staggering 51 million units in shipments by 2026. You know who's not worried about any of these companies' growing sales? Well, Samsung, of course, as they are the prime producer of the foldable screens. Will Apple really jump into the arena with their iFold or iFlip device? Well, we'll have to flip and see. For the Cellphonius YouTube channel, this is Danny Alvarez, checking out.